Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. Joining us today is Mr. Angan Guha. He's the CEO of Birlasoft. He's speaking to us a day after the company's quarterly results, where the revenue rose 3.73% quarter on quarter, while the net profit jumped 5.5% to 145 crore. Mr. Guha, welcome to BQ Prime.
Thank you, Tushar.
A stellar set of numbers given the climate we are in. What's driving your earnings, sir, in this uncertain times?
So, Tushar, we've had a great quarter, as you've noted. And the reality is that, our growth has been consistent over the past 3 quarters. We've had great results. I think it's backed with solid execution, and I'm proud to say that the team has done an incredible job. Look, I mean, we are mining our accounts very well. And if you look at our top 10 accounts or our top 20 accounts, they have grown above the industry average. And I think that is driving a lot of growth. The other thing that's driving growth is the fact that we are very focused on serving our clients. We are helping transforming our clients' landscape. We are participating in their digital future. And all of that, I think, are nicely coming together to help us deliver stellar performance.
Are you, in a way, seeing any caution coming in from the clients? I mean, the macro picture is still bleak in the US. There's some amount of delay that we are seeing in the conversion of deals into revenue. So how are you managing those cautious stance with the clients also? I mean, how are they feeling right now?
So, Tushar, you're right. I mean, the market is pretty volatile. And in the US, customers are very cautious. And quite frankly, we are facing the same thing. But our endeavor has always been to keep our head down, serve our clients well, and continue to execute along with our clients. And that, I think, is helping us. Okay. Now, are we seeing headwinds? Absolutely, we are seeing headwinds. In fact, our Q3 will be muted because, as you know, Tushar, Q3 is a short quarter. It also has a lot of furloughs. Our BFSI business is going up, which also means our furloughs will go up. So in many ways, our Q3 business will be soft, and we are bracing for that. But we will continue to focus on execution. And though Q3 may be soft, I'm pretty confident that Q4 we will be back on our growth trajectory.
Has that impacted your margins as well? Do you expect because your margins have grown quarter on quarter? So do you think that trajectory is going to be maintained going forward?
So, Tushar, my feeling is the following, right? We've delivered margin improvement for 3 quarters in a row. Now, Q3, again, because of the nature of the quarter, because it's a short quarter, we may see a little bit of a tempering down. But I don't believe that the long term we have an issue, right? Long term, I think we can continue to grow our margins. We have said that we'll exit 4Q with 16% EBITDA, which is obviously higher than the 15.8% that we delivered in 2Q. So from that standpoint, in the longer term, I think the margins will improve. But you must also appreciate, Tushar, that we are in an investment phase, and we will continue to invest in our business over the next 24 to 36 months because we want to build a business for the next decade. So I'm of the opinion that we will keep our margins in the narrow band between the 15.5 to 16.5 to 17% range, in that range, while we continue to invest in our business, invest in our people, invest in our clients so that we can build a long-term, growth-oriented and profitable business.
Yeah, I see you have actually given out your salary hikes on the 1st of September, and still you're managing about an EBIT margin of 14.17. I mean, about 15% in the July-September quarter. Also, in the July-September quarter, you had $100 million deal. Can you tell us something more about that? Has that offset any of the Invacare pain that may be left over?
Yeah, so Tushar, great question. First of all, the Invacare pain is behind us. I mean, it was behind us even in quarter one, because as you know, in spite of the Invacare situation, we've delivered growth. Even in quarter two, though we delivered 3.1% growth on a reported basis, if you actually look at it from an ex-Invacare perspective, then the growth is even better. It's 4.4%. So in many ways, the Invacare situation is behind us. Now, what the large deal enables us to do is to give us the confidence that we now are in a situation where we are having the right conversation with our clients. The clients are trusting us with large programs. We are being able to participate in our clients' transformation journey. And that is something very good for us, and we are pretty proud of that situation. Though the large deal, we will have an elongated transition for about 6 months, and you will only start seeing revenue uptake sometime towards March or April kind of month. But what is pleasing to us is the fact that at least now we are getting called to the table to discuss work, which is a multi-year, large kind of book of work.
Okay. Finally, sir, you're closing on 1 year at Birlasoft. You have two key personnel with you who are also new to the table, the chief financial officer as well as chief operating officer who you appointed in the last quarter. How is the rest of the company taking these changes? How are you taking things forward at Birlasoft here on?
Again, a great question, Tushar. So look, I mean, we are incredibly proud of what we have achieved thus far. And it is the team that has really delivered what they have delivered. You must also appreciate, though we are hiring a lot of leaders from outside the company, like you talked about our new CEO, our new CFO, etc. But we are also promoting a lot of leaders internally within the company. So it's a good mix. It's a good mix of talent from outside and talent which are homegrown. And I think the team is very energized and the team is looking at it very positively. Hopefully, we will continue to deliver success for our clients, for our teams, for our other stakeholders. And I strongly believe that if we continue our focus on execution, keep our heads down, and continue to serve our clients well, I think over a longer term period, we will build a very growth oriented business where people would love to come and work at.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Guha, for the fantastic chat. Congratulations on the numbers again. Thank you, viewers, for tuning in. This is Tushar for BQ Prime.